This is my second Easter egg of the year and it's not going to be my last. I love Easter eggs, so I will be stocking up while I can. And also, guys, by a landslide. That is a big difference to the Galaxy one. But the size comparison isn't the same. Because this is a smaller one. I think it might be thinner. Usually when I run polls with you guys, I'm never too shocked. But I was shocked that Dairy Milk won by a landslide. For some reason, I thought most people would prefer Galaxy. I feel like I have to be in a really chocolatey, rich mood for Galaxy. Whereas Dairy Milk, I can literally just chow down on Dairy Milk. There ain't no stopping me for Dairy Milk. Also, I'm very aware that these are UK brands. And if you're in America, honestly, I do feel bad for your chocolate because our chocolate is so good. You need to try it. Guys, I got one big piece, another big piece, another big piece, and another big piece. Should I do a little bit more? Yeah, why not? Uh-oh. I can seriously finish this, but it's 4.5 minutes. I've been eating chocolate straight for 4.5 minutes. Okay. Take it away from me. Take it away. Right, guys. I'm going to put this in the fridge and I'm going to continue with my Easter egg stocking. Maybe I should make an Easter egg playlist. Anyway, hope you're having a good evening and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Peace.